Hi, I'm Jim. Welcome to Forever Happy. It's our journey on sharing with you some of the things that we do to try to make our life forever happy. And we just recently moved to Rio Rancho, New Mexico, and settling into a new house and kind of taking on some new hobbies, and one of those is gardening. So never tried to grow anything in a garden before, and really don't know what to expect. So, did the usual YouTubing here, YouTubing there, and to get started. And I'm gonna kind of show you what I have, and maybe you have some ideas of how I could do it better, or down below, leave a comment. If there's items you use that help you grow better vegetables and stuff, just leave a comment down there. And while you're at it, maybe subscribe, and you'll know, hit the bell when I make more. And if you've got a YouTube channel, link it down there. I'd like to visit yours and see any tips on gardening and stuff that you have. But right now, this is what we've got going on. We have the luxury of having a nice size laundry room, and so that I use that as my grow room. I don't have a greenhouse or anything fantastic, but this is kind of my setup. I've tried a couple different things here. One is the pots that you start the plants in, and then you just plant them inside the pots. And you can see I use just a regular kind of container I had out in the shed to put them in. It works real good when I need to water them. I can just pour water into the bottom of this, and then the plants can get them whenever they need it. I also tried one of these trays with the biodegradable things that you plant them in, and as you can tell, my tomatoes need a lot of work, and these just aren't, I didn't know what the germination rates were going to be. I didn't know a lot of things. You can see my banana peppers here are really nice, and they've germinated a really good percentage. I put 2 in each pot, and only 2 of the pots, or 3 of the pots actually didn't get 2 to germinate. The rest of them did. And then I had, my wife Linda had saved bell pepper seeds from when we eat bell peppers, and so this last little section that's in here in the back, we tried a group in a different growing, and I'll show you where those are. We already transplanted them, and the germination rate was very low, so I'm like, well, I got to put a lot in here. Well, you could see that some of these, every single one of them germinated, so they're fighting for survival. The fittest is going to get to go into the garden. But I have a couple of these fairy morse lights, grow lights, and then I have Vivasun heat mats for when I don't have this one on right now, because once they started germinating and started growing, I was told that, or according to YouTubers, didn't need to have the heat mat anymore to promote their growth. But they're rather compact. They come in a little box like this, and they have a nice little case that when you're not using it, you can roll it up and put it inside there. And so that's what I got going on the inside. And we'll go out here and I'll show you the first set of stuff that we did. Cantaloupe, I tried on the little biodegradable ones, and I've already transplanted them. And the other set that we started some jalapeno peppers and some other bell peppers, and we've already transplanted those, and we're going to see how they grow. We've got some show you here. We got a little side yard, something to keep the dogs out of it, but You can see all our jalapeno peppers are kind of growing in here, and then the back row there is our bell peppers and that we've transplanted, and these are the ones from the seeds that Linda had, like I said, harvested from bell peppers that we would eat. And looks like I need to get out here and do a little weeding. Anyway, and then we got the cantaloupe going, and then I've also already planted some corn and some onions, but I got 4 kinds of sweet corn that I'm going to try to grow, and I was told that not to just put it in a row, just kind of put it in bunches, because they wind germinate, or I guess pollinate, and so we'll see how that works. And I said I'm just giving it a try, and we'll see how this works. And I have a lot of area here for what we've got growing on the banana peppers and the other stuff, eggplant that we got growing inside. Hey, so I don't know what this plant is. I want to say it looks like a strawberry plant, but I don't know for sure. If you know, comment down below and let me know. I'd like to figure out what that is, or if it's just some weird bush that's going to grow in my garden, I'll just get it out of there. But yeah, so you can see I kind of have the stakes here for the corn that's going to be in this section, and we got some more corn in this section. Can you tell we love corn? Oh my gosh. And then we planted some potatoes down here at this end, and I don't know if you can see that. You got a couple that are starting to come up, but there you have it. That's our garden. This is our, like I said, it's our forever happy home. I hope you had a chance to take a look at the drone video that I put up of our home. I hope to be able to use that as we, I want to share our adventures here in Rio Rancho and the surrounding area, should you want to come and visit, or maybe you're from here, or maybe you have been here before. Or, I hear stories that there's a lot of beautiful places nearby. We haven't really had a chance to go anywhere with this whole coronavirus thing. And so, yeah, there you have it. Thanks for, while I got you here, my wife really loves lilies, and so here's kind of her lily garden that we planted since we've been here. One of the things that's really nice is all the houses that we've had before were already very landscaped. When we lived in Arizona, we didn't really get a chance to make it ours, so we've done this. There was nothing here, and there were some trees where I'm hoping will shine some, or not shine, but give us some shade, and then we really like roses as well, and we kind of have our rose bushes going along over in this part. So that's it. Like I said, if you got any gardening tips, I'm always looking to try new things and to get better at it. I want to try to have a garden that helps me to be self-sustaining as far as vegetables go and produce. So thanks for visiting our channel, and I hope you come back. Like I said, subscribe and hit the bell, and if you like this video, go ahead and hit one of those thumbs ups, because it'll help me to figure out what you guys like to hear and what I can share with you. But I really hope that together we can move forward in life, and all of us can be forever happy. Until next time, bye.